How to log in TikTok with Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will guide you the steps how you can log in TikTok with Facebook. Make sure you watch the video till the end. For this, make sure that your Facebook is linked with your TikTok account. Only after that you will be able to log in TikTok with Facebook. So to get started, first of all open the TikTok. Here, let me show you how you can log in TikTok with Facebook. So for that, here you can see the profile on the button right. Just tap on it. So we don't want the option of sign up. Just tap on the login. Here you can see variety of option to log into TikTok, but you can just click on continue with Facebook and then you can log into TikTok. Let me show you. So go back. Here you can see on the profile that you have already been logged in with Facebook. So this was it guys. If you have any sorts of problem, you can feel free to comment down and ask any kind of question. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe it to not miss any kind of useful videos. So thank you.